of the culture, this is more than just a phase. Feeling like tsunami, see my walls lit with the waves.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
What's poppin', Tsunami Gang? It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm back at it again. So what I got for you guys today is a product review of the all-new Triple Butter Mango Splash by Top Wavers. This product is one of the best products I've ever tried, and I'm gonna tell you why. Mango butter is an excellent hydration agent and will form a moisture lock, which means it will help retain the moisture in your hair. So let's get into more of the chemical makeup of mango butter. If you did not know this before now, I will tell you, mango butter helps hair growth. Believe it or not, the oleic acid prevents dandruff and helps hair growth. Another acid found inside mango butter is stearic acid. This acid actually provides protection from damage. Mango butter also contains palmitic acid. Will give your hair that softness that you're looking for while also decreasing the greasy residue that you experience from a lot of other butters. For vitamin A, well, that just increases the production of collagen. Just like vitamin A, vitamin C also helps production of collagen. Now, vitamin E on the other hand actually helps prevent your hair from drying out and locks in that moisture. Vitamin E also helps to balance out the oils on your skin and hair follicles to make sure that your pores stay clean. A lot of people don't know that. That was just mango butter, one of the ingredients in this product. The other ingredients in this product are phenomenal as well. It's called triple butter, right? It doesn't just have mango butter in it. So what it says right here, mango butter, shea butter, and cocoa butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, castor oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, mango madness fragrance, okay? This is one of the best smelling ones I've tried in a long time as well, okay? It's not just the performance and the texture of this product, which is already phenomenal. The smell of this product exceeds about 50 to 60% of other products on the market. And this is a must cop, I'm telling you right now. And you guys already know, with us straight hair wavers, it's very difficult to find products that are light enough to not weigh our hair down, because a lot of products are heavy and a lot of products are greasy and it will weigh your hair down. This is not one of them. I'm telling you right now, one of my top favorites, okay? You guys already know. I put only the best of the best stuff in my hair. I'm not gonna tell you guys if I'm not using it myself. So I've tried this out for a limited time, but I felt like it was enough time to come back to you guys with a thorough review. If you get a chance or an opportunity to order this, I highly recommend you do. I wish you could smell it through the phone. Boy, this is no joke. What I can tell you is that this product is exceptional, above and beyond the competition. There's only a few products on the market that can compete with this. When I run out, I'm ordering another one. That is how good this product itself is, okay? And especially for straight hair wavers. You know we need stuff, more products on the market just for us. But you could use this if you have coarse hair, straight hair, and medium hair texture. This product is one of the best, I'm telling you, if not the best that I've ever tried in my entire life. So make sure you go cop this. And while you're at checkout, make sure you use my discount code Tsunami Timo. Shipping was very quick and fast. I didn't wait but a couple days for it to arrive. Also, the price is reasonable. For a product of this caliber, I guarantee you that the price is far lower than it should be. For a product of this quality, I recommend a price of maybe $50 to $60. But for right now, only $29. Like, come on. Who can't afford $29, especially for A1 class butter like this right here? After the first use, I found this product to be remarkable, to say the least. This is a whole nother species of animal. I don't even know what to call this. So you absolutely have to get your hands on this. I highly recommend this product. So go ahead and check it out right after this video and let me know how you guys like it. Once again, it's your boy, Tsunami Timo, and I'm out.
Sauce. Whoa.